Hello friends, let's do joins in SQL. Now, joins in SQL are the same as if you do Tableau, Power BI, or Click. They are all the same. So whether you're learning from Tableau, from a Tableau video or SQL video, basically it is just the same thing that you do. All right. So we have inner join, left join, full join, right join, and cross join. Cross join is also known as the Cartesian join. We're going to look at them and see how to do that in SQL. But basically, for inner join, you're only taking for the matches, any rows and columns that match from table A to table B. Full join, you're taking for everything. Left join, everything from table A, which and any matches from table B. Right join, anything from table B and matches from table A. Cross join is any possible matches of the data that you can get. All right, after this background, let's go to PG admin and try to show how this is done. All right, so again, to get your tables, if you're in a database, go on schema, tables, then you see all the tables. And if you expand again, you can begin to see the columns here and all the columns that are in there. But in my case, I'll just do tables. And let's just take a quick look and see, select O from Hector. Now, before we even begin to write our SQL queries, I want you to notice something that on almost every table, there's these actor IDs, which are called keys. These are keys that we use to relate. Now, PG admin is a relational database. There are different types of database out there. The most common ones that you find is relational databases. And these have got keys. For in this example, in this table, we have got actor ID, which act as a key. And keys, we use them to connect the table to the other table. So let's say actor, let's do customer. Take a look at this customer. We have customer ID, store ID. We use these keys to connect with other tables. So customer, we have customer ID and store ID. Let's look at payment table. We have payment ID, customer ID, staff ID, render ID. So looking at this customer ID, we can literally connect this payment ID with the customer table. So let's do that. Now we want to use this table as our guide to our joins. So let's start with the inner join. Select all from customer inner join payment. So when you have to specify, you have to kind of alias the table customer payment. You can alias it as P. All right. Then on customer dot, we saw that there was a key customer ID is equals to P dot customer ID. Customer ID. Right. We are only looking at the matches from customer and payment, only rows and columns that match. So if I run this one, it returns only the items or the rows that match. All right, customer ID from both tables. Now let's move on to a left join. So the initial one was for matches. Let's look at left join. We are looking at all the items from the left table and matches from table B. So we have customer, our first table that we specify here, automatically that becomes our left join, our left table. So if I just say left here, I will take only the matches from customer and only all the rows from customer and matches from payment table. All right, and if I want all from payment table and matches from customer, I will just come here again and just do right. It will do basically the same. Let's also do a full join. Full join, you can just come here So it will pull all the rows from table A and all the rows from table B and all their matches. So if I run this, it will do all the possible matches. Now, there's this one called a Cartesian join, or right here, cross join. All right, this is there's a different syntax to it. So it says select all, right here. Select all from payment, which is alias SP, cross join, customer C. It will just do any possible join that is feasible. So it will take a little bit time to think through and uh, do those joins, any possible joins. So it's going to take time. While it's doing that, I'm gonna showcase one more time. So two SQL joins are very powerful in combining data from multiple tables. And most of the times you do joins if you really want to do meaningful insights. And any well thought database, they've got multiple tables that gathers related data together. Right. So we have got inner join, left join, full join, and right join, and cross join. These are possible join that you can do in SQL. And most of the times you will do either a left join or inner join. Was basically right join is a left join. You just switch the first table that you call, but it's basically doing the same here. Inner join only matches and full join all the rows from both tables. So it it found 808 million possible joins when you just join using the Cartesian join. All right, in a simple way, that's how you do your joins in SQL. Thank you and bye bye.